Welcome aboard the Disney Fantasy. In this video, we're taking you on a tour of our stateroom, number 6092, a Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with veranda on Deck 6. This spacious room sleeps up to 5 guests and offers the perfect blend of comfort, storage, and Disney magic. Let's take a look. Starting at the door, you'll see our stateroom number, and right inside we have the AC controls to adjust the temperatures to your liking. Next to it, there is a power slot. You'll need to insert your key to the world card to activate electricity in the room. As we step inside, the first thing we see is the queen-size bed, which, fun fact, is actually a true queen, unlike some cruise lines that use 2 smaller beds pushed together. To the right of the bed, we have a nightstand with a classic Disney and nautical-themed lamp. There's also a light switch and a power outlet with both American and UK-style plugs, and a small drawer for storage. At the foot of the bed, there's a soft blue blanket with Disney Cruise Line branding, adding a nautical touch. Over on the left nightstand, we have a similar setup, plus a room phone where you can easily order room service, because who doesn't love a late night Mickey bar? Moving across the room, we have the full-size couch, which converts into a single bed at night. A small coffee table sits in front, perfect for holding snacks, drinks, or your morning cup of coffee while enjoying the ocean views. Next, we have the desk area, which doubles as a storage hub. Above the desk, there is a cabinet that offers additional space for smaller items. Below, there's a mini fridge, perfect for keeping your drinks cold. On the desk, you'll find 2 sets of 3 drawers, separated by a seating area with a large mirror, ideal for getting ready for your dinner at Animator's Palette or Remy. Now let's step outside onto the private veranda. The sliding glass door leads to a cozy deck featuring 2 chairs. Whether you're sailing through the Caribbean or watching the sunrise at sea, this is the perfect place to relax and take in the view. Back inside, let's check out the split bathroom setup, a fantastic feature on Disney Cruise Line ships. The first bathroom includes a sink, large mirror, and plenty of storage space for toiletries. To the left, there's a spacious shower with a built-in seat and multiple water flow options. There's a rainfall shower head, a detachable handheld shower, and a standard faucet for soaking in the bath. The water pressure is fantastic, making this one of the best cruise ship showers I've ever experienced. Plus, Disney provides high-quality shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in refillable bottles. The second bathroom features a toilet, a sink, and more storage, allowing multiple guests to get ready at the same time. A game changer for families. Just across from the bathrooms, we have 2 large closets. The first closet offers hanging space, cubbies for shoes or other items, and a safe for valuables. You'll also find life vests stored at the top shelf. In the second closet, there's additional hanging space, more life vests, and a ladder for the bunk beds when it's set up. Now let's take a look at the room after Turndown service. As we walk in, you'll notice a towel animal surprise on the bed, complete with chocolates for everyone in the room. Over in the living area, the couch has been transformed into a bed, and the bunk bed has been pulled down from the ceiling, revealing a fun Peter Pan themed design above. If needed, the Murphy bed can also be set up for a 5th guest. Finally, we also had adjoining rooms with family members, so here's a quick look at how the connecting door opens, making it easy to move between rooms. The stateroom next door is an ADA accessible cabin, and we'll be sharing a full tour of that room in our next video, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. And that wraps up our Disney Fantasy Stateroom 6092 room tour. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and drop a comment below with any questions, and let us know if you've sailed on the Disney Fantasy. Thank you so much for watching J&M Odysseys, and we'll see you real soon.